Great are you, Lord, greatly to be praised, greatly to be praised. Father, you reign. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So we're making some refreshing water lemonade or watermelon lemonade. So these are my ingredients, neatly washed. I'm going to list all in the description box. So let's get started. So I prep my ingredients, and this watermelon is coming straight from my garden, so it's organic. Yeah, so I cut them into blendable sizes together with my ginger. And this recipe, I'm recreating that of Nanabe's recipe. She's doing a great job. Sis, thank you so much for your inspiration. Love you. So now my ginger, watermelon with ginger, it's a natural Viagra for men. Please try it. So I add this small mint leaf hidden somewhere in my fridge to it, and then straight into my blender. But I wouldn't be adding water to it. I'll just add some ice cubes to it, because watermelon contains about 90% of water. So after blending the first part, I transfer into a big bowl and then blend the remaining. And just look at that. So I squeeze some lemon, into my juice, and then I have a video on how to squeeze lemons like a pro here. Very simple, so you can check it out. I'm gonna link the link below. So now I strain it. Just look at how thick it is. So here we are. No added sugar, no added color, no preservative. So I just transfer it into my pitcher, but then I drop in some lemon and cucumber to make it more refreshing. Oh my goodness, just look at that. I know you want to try this. In fact, I know you want to quench your thirst. Yeah. So I just add some cubes to my glasses, and it's time for serving. Yeah, so why don't you try this simple water lemonade for this summer, any day, anytime, and trust me, you're gonna enjoy it. Okay, so thank you so much. God bless you. I'm super grateful for the comments, the subscriptions. Oh my goodness, I couldn't have gotten here without you guys. God bless you, and see you in our next video. I hope you just like this. Bye bye.